The Bundle of Sticks. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived an old man who had 3 sons. His sons were strong and smart, but they argued all the time. They argued about chores, about food, about who was right and who was wrong. They just couldn't agree on anything. The old man grew tired and sad, watching them fight every day. He tried to tell them, "Don't waste your strength on fighting. Use it to help each other." But they didn't listen. One morning, he had an idea. He called his sons together and gave each one a single stick. "Break it," he said. Snap! Each stick broke easily. Then, he tied a bunch of sticks together into a thick bundle. "Now try to break this," he said with a gentle smile. Each son tried, pushing, pulling, twisting, but the bundle would not break. The old man looked at them kindly. "Do you see?" he said. "Alone you are weak, but together you are strong. Stay united. Help each other. That is how you grow and never fall." The brothers finally understood. From that day on, they worked together, they shared, they helped one another. And the old man smiled, knowing his family was strong. Moral of the story: stay together, don't fight. Help each other, do what's right. Be a team, strong and kind. Unity is power. Keep that in mind.